Do you have sleeping disorders? And did you know that sleep is very important for your mood and overall health? If you do not have a good night's sleep, the next day it will be very irritable for you. You will be groggy and you will not be able to focus on your daily work. Sleep has 4 stages: awake state, light sleep, deep sleep, and REM stage. So a healthy person who is having a good night's sleep can have 6 or 7 of these cycles during his sleep, his or her sleep. It's very important to get at least 7 hours of sleep a night. Any yoga asana that makes you invert, which means where your heart comes above your head, is very good to induce sleep. This is where the blood rushes to the heart and the pressure releases from the heart. So one posture could be Parvatasana or downward facing dog. You have to bring your arms and your feet to a length from high plank. So you come to high plank first and get the length from high plank. High plank is where the alignment is such that the palms are right under the shoulders and your hips are leveled against your shoulders. And then from high plank, without moving your palms and your toes, if you lift your hips up and pull your head through the middle and look at your navel, then you are in another yogic posture called downward facing dog or Parvatasana, Adho Mukha Svanasana. If you have the strength in your arms and your feet, if you can stay here for a few breaths. Again, remember Ujjayi Pranayama, the victorious breath that I taught in an earlier episode, where you inhale and exhale through the nose with a sound from your throat. And another asana that could really induce sleep is Balasana or child pose. For this one, we bend the knees and we bring our buttocks towards the heels. If this stretch is not there in your body yet, you can try as much as you can to come down to touch your glutes to your heels, and if possible, keep the forehead on the floor. To deactivate the asana, bring your hands on the sides and relax the arms. Close your eyes and breathe a few times. And I'm going to teach you a pranayama next. This one is called Brahmari Pranayama, or the breath of the bee, bee's breath. When you do this pranayama, there's a specific mudra you need to create with your hands. So you can bring your hands up to your face, closing your eyes with your index fingers. The middle fingers of both your hands will be right above the opening of the nostril, and the ring fingers right below the nostril, and the pinkies on the sides of your corners of your mouth. The thumbs go and press this fleshy bit of your ears. So you are completely cut out from the audio of the world around you. You are completely in your own element, in your own, within yourself. So you close your earpieces with your thumbs and you close your eyes with your index fingers, close above the nasal point, above the nostrils with your middle fingers, and below the nostrils with your ring fingers, and then on the sides of your mouth, your pinkies lie. And here you start with a sound. I will show you. So you inhale through your nostrils, and when you exhale, you create a murmuring sound. This mudra is called Shanmukhi Mudra, and what happens in this pranayama, as I first told in the previous episode, the long exhalation activates your parasympathetic nervous system. It relaxes you. The longer you exhale, it can relax you. Also, with the murmuring sound, there's a vibration that is created inside the mouth, and this vibration is said to organically produce a biochemical called nitric oxide, which dilates the airways and relaxes you and makes it easier for you to breathe. So, I hope you enjoyed today's episode. So, in the next episode, we'll talk about if yoga can make a person happy. How is it possible? What are the methods? We'll talk about this topic in the next episode.